In their article, A Twist in the Nature versus Nurture Debate, authors Sam Wang and Sandra Ahmed claim that the environment as something that just happened to us, but in fact, animals actively seek out surroundings that are compatible with their genetic predispositions. For example, major depression arises from the vicious cycle between genes and environments. A particular genes influenced the sensitivity of individuals to bad experiences. People with two copies of the high-risk variant of gene and likely to develop depression in response to multiple stressful experiences like divorces or assaults, but they are fine if their environment stays benign. In contrast, people with two copies of the low risk form of the gene are resilient against depression, even when they experience environmental stressors, because people with one copy of each fall somewhere in between. In my case, I explained that I have two elements that make me unique. I'm Malaysia because I was influenced by Malaysia climate, and I have written the novels. The first case comes from nurture, obviously. On the other hand, the second case is difficult to decide to nature or nurture. I started writing because I'd like to separate from English. At that time, all of classes were by English, so I'd like to use Japanese. Then, if there is only this reason, I can say that my writing came from nurture. But I also remembered in my childhood, when I was a little child, I liked to draw the railroad. That was just a line that is in a murder. I think that I already like to make something that cannot create by other people. If I had the character from the beginning, I can say it comes from nature. Therefore, I think that both of nature and nurture are affected to my light novels.